Belfast, a city of grit, craft and towering ambition, wears its industrial heart on its sleeve, or, in this case, on its skyline. The colossal Samson and Goliath cranes loom like guardians over the Harland and Wolff shipyard, where engineering legends are fought, most famously the RMS Titanic and her trusty sidekick, the SS Nomadic. If Belfast were a person, it would be the no-nonsense type, practical yet proud, with a twinkle of mischief beneath the surface. It's this spirit that Nomadic Watches, a young Belfast brand, has taken and transformed into something wearable. The company's name pays homage to the SS Nomadic, a vessel designed to shuttle passengers to the Titanic, a replica of the infamous ship, shrunken down to a quarter of the size but packed with just as much heart. The SS Nomadic is now the last remaining White Star vessel, preserved as a floating slice of history. But why not just name the brand Titanic and ride on those coattails, you ask? Well, just picture the local headlines every time sales take a dip. Titanic watch sales sink to new lows. Not exactly the image you want for a luxury timepiece, is it? Nomadic Watches channels the legacy of ingenuity and craftsmanship into its mission, to bring Belfast's proud industrial heritage into the world of watchmaking. Their headquarters, fittingly housed in a 120-year building that once buzzed with shipbuilders, rope makers and linen weavers, is a testament to the city's knack for doing things properly or not at all. But don't think for a second Nomadic Watches is stuck in the past. Their motto, "Make Progress," isn't just a nice tagline, it's a call to action. It's about more than just making watches, it's about creating something that carries forward the adventurous can-do attitude that defines Belfast. After all, this is a city that turns steel and dreams into ships that crossed oceans. Well, most of the time. Nomadic doesn't just make tools for telling time, it crafts stories of endurance and ambition. Whether you're wandering the docks where Titanic was born or planning your next great adventure, a Nomadic watch is the perfect piece of Belfast. A reminder of the city's resilience, its craftsmanship, and its quiet determination to always move forward. Because if Belfast can build a ship that captures the world's imagination, why not a watch that does the same? But this is all well and good, but a pointless story if the watches don't live up to it. Nomadic have kindly sent me the Turas 914 to put this to the test. But don't worry, I've taken no payment of any sort for this review, and the watch will be sent back when I'm done. I'll put my money where my mouth is, and if you haven't yet watched my discussion on paid watch reviews, the link is in the description. And whilst you're in the description, check out the link to buy me a coffee. If you enjoy my content and want to help me keep it independent and away from any sort of paid reviews, then I will be grateful for your support. But if you don't want to or can't, then don't worry. Just a like on this video would be amazing. In 1914, Sir Ernest Shackleton set out on what was meant to be the most legendary Antarctic expedition in history. His goal? To cross the entire frozen continent. What actually happened? His ship, Endurance, got hopelessly stuck in ice, leaving him and his crew stranded in sub-zero misery. Most people would have given up and started writing their wills, but not Shackleton. Instead, he pulled off one of the most insane survival stories of all time, trekking through blizzards, rowing across the most violent seas on Earth, and somehow getting all of his men out alive. Now, over a century later, Nomadic is keeping that same intrepid spirit alive with the Turas 914, a rugged, beautifully built field watch that looks like it could survive an Antarctic blizzard, or at the very least, a rough weekend in the pub. Named after the Irish word for journey and the fateful year Shackleton set sail, this watch is designed for those who crave adventure, or at least like looking like they do. The Turas 914 isn't some oversized, wrist-dominating beast trying to prove a point. No, it's a 39mm stainless steel solid option, perfectly proportioned for rugged expeditions and daily wear. At 11mm thick, it slides under a jacket sleeve with ease, while the 47.5mm lug-to-lug ensures a comfortable fit on almost any wrist. The fully brushed case oozes tool watch toughness, giving it that I belong on an explorer's wrist look, while also resisting scratches from the occasional knock against an iceberg, or, more likely, a door frame. But here's where it gets good. The polished chamfers running down the lugs add just the right touch of class. It's like Shackleton in a tux, still rough and ready, but with a bit of elegance. The screw-down crown is satisfyingly chunky, with a deep knurling that makes it easy to grip. even if you're wearing gloves or just have cold fingers from holding an iced coffee. The brushed stainless steel bracelet carries on where the case left off. Not overly flamboyant, it's functional but with enough attention to detail in the finishing and tolerances to leave lesser bracelets in the dust. Tapering from 20mm at the lugs to 16mm at the clasp, it offers that sleek vintage feel but also has an on-the-fly micro adjustment clasp for that no tools needed, quick tweak and perfect fit. But let's be honest, on-the-fly adjustment is an expectation rather than a luxury nowadays, and although Nomadic claims some sort of innovation here, it feels somewhat close to the design and feel of those found on many AliExpress offerings. Not a bad thing, but something to note. For me, the dial is what sets the Turas 914 apart from the crowd. Whether you go for the whiteout, the Polar Explorer's Dream, or Black Ice, stealth mode activated, it's got a crisp, no-nonsense design with big, easy-to-read numerals at 12, 3, 6 and 9. The dial's texture isn't just a flourish, it's a rare display of obsessive craftsmanship in a price bracket where corners are usually shaved with the enthusiasm of a budget airline cutting legroom. One could almost picture a pint-sized Shackleton, frost clinging from his moustache, leading his equally diminutive crew across the frozen tundra of the dial, braving its jagged ridges in a perilous expedition towards the centre pinion. Naturally, they'd find it marked by the unmistakable Nomadic yellow second-hand, a tribute to Belfast's towering cranes standing watch over the city's shipyards like sentinels of industry, or, as the locals call it, home. Under the hood, the Turas 914 is equipped with the Sellita SW200-1 automatic movement, one of the most battle-tested Swiss calibers out there. Beating at 28,800 vibrations per hour, it keeps time with all the reliability you'd expect from something built for serious adventurers, or serial procrastinators who need every second to count. With 41 hours power reserve, you can take it off for a day and it'll still be ticking when you get back. Because, let's be honest, sometimes even the most rugged explorers need a Netflix and chill night. And now, let's address the rather large, price-shaped elephant in the room. Yes, the Turas 914 isn't exactly a bargain bin special. Yes, it's a deceptively simple watch for what it costs. But here's the thing, it radiates quality in a way that stands toe-to-toe with far more established brands. Inevitable comparisons will be made with that other Microbrand knocking on the mainstream's door, Christopher Ward. Sure, Christopher Ward has a head start, more mileage and a bigger following. But at the end of the day, watchmaking isn't a popularity contest. What matters is fit, finish and the story behind the piece. And on all three fronts, the Turas 914 delivers. This is a seriously well-made watch, and its £1,000-ish price tag is more than justified. Frankly, if Oris or Longines stamped their name on the dial, no one would so much as raise an eyebrow if the price were doubled. Bottom line, it's not cheap, but it's worth it. The Nomadic Turas 914 is what happens when historical badassery meets modern watchmaking excellence. It's tough, stylish and effortlessly cool, with 100 metres of water resistance, a screw-down crown and a dial that you could read in a snowstorm. Whether you're actually trekking through the wilderness or just braving the office, this is a watch that says I could escape a shipwreck, but I also appreciate a good espresso. Bottom line, if Shackleton were alive today, he'd wear the Turas 914. And if you've got even an ounce of adventure in you, I think you should too. Seriously, the time spent with this watch has added it to my wish list of next purchases. Thanks for watching and please like and subscribe.